Om Namah Shivaya. Here is a beautiful orange color conch. It is for Surya Bhagavan. It is for Surya Bhagavan, called Surya Bhagavan conch. Both are very rare to see and rare to collect. Surya Bhagavan is head of the planetary and it takes a main part in astrology. By having this conch with you, you will get huge success and profit in your business. Huge success and profit in your business. It's a beautiful conch. It's a Surya Bhagavan conch, light orange in color. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Fine quality conch, pure orange color. It is for Surya Bhagavan. You can have it in office place and your home. If you keep in home, you will get very good, happy, healthy life, and it will give you full protection from black magic and evil eyes. Gives you protection from black magic and evil eyes. It's a beautiful Surya Bhagavan conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Very hard to see such a shade. Surya Bhagavan conch, light orange color, from Indian version. Om Namah Shivaya.